Hi guys, so for this video, I gonna vlog today all of. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comment and like my all of videos. And let's proceed to. You gonna play. Comment your answer. Wampla, what do you want to play? Roblox, Minecraft? Comment your answer and subscribe. So, I gonna comment for the anything that need transitions. I gonna transitions, but pag napaabot yung subscribers ko na 100k or 80 lang na subscribers at likes ay 30k at comments ay 10, maglalaro tayo ng Roblox at i-add friend ko kayo at magla-live ako. Okay? Okay. So, I'm gonna back again. So, huwag niyong kakalimutan na isa? Yes, this is correct. Subscribe. And second, it's so correct. Comment. And third, very, very good. That is correct. Comment. Fourth, that very, 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 very good. That is very correct. It is like, don't forget to anything that me. So, subscribe and comment kung gusto nyo akong mag-house tour, first floor hanggang second floor. So, wala na tayong oras. Dahil 3 minutes lang to. 3 minutes lang. Kaya, sana maintindihan nyo ako at sana maraming views to. Bye!